Welcome to Easy Fun Math. So the question is 2 raised to x equal to 5 raised to y equal to 100. So first let's choose 2 raised to x is equal to 100. So 2 raised to x is equal to 100 is 10 square. Now taking the power of y on both sides, we have 2 raised to x the whole raised to y equal to 10 raised to 2 the whole raised to y. So 2 raised to xy equal to 10 raised to 2y. So let that be equation 1. Now the next term is 5 raised to y. So 5 raised to y equal to 100. 5 raised to y equal to 10 square. Taking the power of x on both sides, 5 raised to xy equal to 10 raised to 2x. Now let's multiply equation 1 and 2. So 2 raised to xy into 5 raised to xy equal to 10 raised to 2y into 10 raised to 2x. Two into 5 is 10, 10 raised to xy, and 10 raised to 2y into 10 raised to 2x equal to 10 raised to 2y plus 2x. Now equating the exponents, since the bases are same, we get xy equal to 2y plus 2x. So taking 2 common, 2 into x plus y. Now take 2 to LHS and xy to RHS. So 2 will become 1 by 2 and RHS will become x plus y by xy, which is 1 by y plus 1 by x. So the solution is 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 2.